Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. It is with a company that I've worked with countless of times before. It's EAYONWIGS, and I absolutely love their units. I love their customer service. I love their hair quality, how long it lasts, and how easy and manageable the hair is. So I would definitely recommend EAYONWIGS just in general if you're looking for a wig. But to talk more specifically about this unit, I was super surprised and impressed. I've never tried one of their fake scalp units before, but this one was really nice. This is their Invisible Knots Fake Scalp Brazilian 13 by 6 lace front wig, and it's a bob, and it's in their light Yaki straight texture. As you can see, this unit literally is serving scalp anywhere you part it. Okay, like this unit is crazy. The fake scalp, like you guys, I was so impressed. It's bomb without any powder, without any blending, without anything. It just looks natural. Not to mention the texture of this Yaki is like literally black girl hair perfection. I absolutely love this wig. Everything about it, from the density to the frontal to the texture, and the fake scalp. Like, I was so shook, you guys. This unit was bomb. So I went ahead and used my new blow dryer. It's literally my favorite blow dryer right now. It's from Elevate Styles, and it's just so nice and lightweight. I use it on my curly wigs. I'm using it on this wig. I used it on my daughter's hair. Like, it's just a really nice lightweight blow dryer that's just, for some reason, so much easier to hold in your hand, and like my arms and my hand doesn't get as tired with that blow dryer. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link to it down below in the information box. So I went ahead and blew out the hair a little bit just to get that bend out of it. And then I went ahead and turned on my flat iron. I put the flat iron up to 405 degrees, and I went ahead and just flat irons like all around the top and the front of the hair. I didn't go all the way through and flat iron like to perfection. I did the lazy girl flat ironing, when you just like flat iron the areas that people will see. So that's a cheat. If you want to be lazy and don't want to flat iron your entire wig, just flat iron the parts that people will see and you'll be fine. So I did that, and what else did I do with this unit? I didn't have to cut it. It was already cut to perfection. I didn't have to use any powder. I didn't have to use any gel, no glue, no spritz, no spray, and no edge control. Like, this wig is literally plop it on your forehead and walk out the door. And you guys, I am just loving wigs like this. Like, who has time to really spend on like doing all this craziness with wigs? I love a wig that's just like ready to go. So this is right up my alley, you guys. I feel like that is going to be my lane from now on. Like, just wigs that you can plop on your head and go. Like, this channel is about to be for the girls who just don't feel like doing got to be glued and craziness. Like, this channel is about to be for girls who just want to throw a wig on and walk out the door. If you guys are down for that, like, let me know, because I'm all about like lazy girl wig hacks. So yeah, let me know if you guys are feeling that, or if you do like to see like videos where it takes 20 minutes, 40 minutes, an hour to lay down a wig. I don't know, I'm not about that life. So anyway, you guys, like, this wig is gorgeous. If you have more questions that I did not answer, leave it in the comments down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. I'll also leave a link for this wig in the description box down below. If you have any questions that I haven't answered, I'll definitely get back to you guys in the comments. And yeah, so check out EAYONWIGS. Check out this wig in particular. Make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel, because I have so much stuff in store for you guys. So make sure you're subscribed, and share this video. Share with a friend. Share with a loved one. Share with a wig lover. Share with your mama. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
She's a professional. I think think I'm lost in the love life. We came strong together. She got a strong desire.